As a home grows, so does its story. At first, we decorate with what we need. Later, we decorate with what we love. And eventually, we decorate with what reflects who we are. This is where advanced crochet decor begins, not as simple accents, but as meaningful statement pieces that speak quietly yet powerfully about creativity, patience, and beauty made by hand. Advanced crochet decor is not about filling space, it is about shaping atmosphere. These are the pieces that make someone pause when they enter a room, the ones that invite a second look, a gentle touch, a thoughtful question. In 2026, crochet has moved beyond small details and into bold, artistic expressions that transform homes into deeply personal sanctuaries. There is a story of a home that once felt complete, yet something was missing. The furniture was right, the colors were calm, but the rooms felt unfinished, like a sentence without emotion. The owner began exploring more advanced crochet pieces, not to decorate, but to express. Slowly, the home began to change, not in appearance alone, but in soul. One of the most striking advanced crochet decor ideas is the crochet statement wall panel. Unlike small wall hangings, these pieces are large, detailed, and intentional. They often span wide sections of wall space and feature layered stitches, geometric patterns, or flowing organic designs. In 2026, statement crochet walls are becoming the centerpiece of living rooms and bedrooms. They replace traditional paintings and artwork with something warmer and more alive. A crochet wall panel attracts attention because it is unexpected. It breaks the assumption that crochet belongs only on tables or couches. Instead, it becomes art. The texture adds depth. The patterns create rhythm. The handmade nature draws people in emotionally. Guests often stand closer, tracing stitches with their eyes, sensing the time and care woven into every loop. Advanced crochet ceiling decor is another emerging idea. Crochet ceiling medallions, hanging light surrounds, and installations add softness to spaces that are often overlooked. Ceilings usually feel distant and cold, but crochet changes that. It brings warmth upward, making rooms feel enclosed in comfort rather than boxed in. There is something deeply comforting about looking up and seeing a handmade piece above you. It creates a sense of protection and intentional living. In 2026, homes that use crochet overhead feel more balanced and grounded. Crochet room dividers and partitions are powerful advanced decor pieces. These are not solid walls, but breathable barriers made from intricate patterns. They separate spaces without closing them off. Light passes through, air flows freely. The home feels open yet organized. Crochet dividers attract attention because they combine function and beauty seamlessly. In open-plan homes, crochet partitions create cozy zones, a reading corner, a meditation space, a quiet workspace, without harsh lines. They soften transitions and make large spaces feel intimate. Advanced crochet furniture accents are also becoming popular. Think crochet-covered ottomans, chair backs, or side tables with crochet overlays. These pieces elevate ordinary furniture into conversation starters. They blur the line between decor and furniture, making each item feel custom-made. When someone sits on a chair with a crochet backrest, they feel the difference. The texture invites comfort. The handmade detail creates emotional warmth. Furniture becomes more than functional, it becomes expressive. Crochet headbreads are stunning advanced bedroom decor ideas. Instead of traditional wood or fabric, crochet headbreads introduce softness and artistry. They turn the bed into a focal point of comfort and elegance. In 2026, crochet headbreads often feature symmetrical patterns, layered textures, and calming color palettes. Bedrooms decorated with advanced crochet pieces feel slower, calmer, and more intentional. They attract rest. They encourage deeper sleep. They turn nighttime into a ritual rather than a routine. Advanced crochet lighting pieces are among the most attractive decor ideas today. Beyond simple lampshades, designers are creating crochet chandeliers, hanging light sculptures, and layered lighting installations. When light passes through complex crochet patterns, it creates moving shadows that shift throughout the day. These shadows bring life to walls and ceilings. The room changes with the light. The space feels dynamic, yet peaceful. Crochet lighting attracts emotion more than attention. It makes people feel calm, grounded, and safe. Crochet staircase decor is another advanced idea often overlooked. Crochet runners, side accents, or hanging elements along stair rails add elegance and continuity. Staircases become part of the home's story rather than just a passageway. Crochet softens the vertical movement of stairs, making transitions between floors feel gentle. Crochet door decor also adds charm. Crochet door panels, seasonal hangings, or textured accents turn entrances into welcoming statements. The first impression of a home matters, and crochet at the door communicates warmth before a single word is spoken. Large crochet floor rugs are bold, advanced decor choices. These rugs often feature complex patterns and durable stitches. They anchor rooms visually and emotionally. A crochet rug attracts people to sit on the floor, to relax, to connect. It removes the formality of a space and replaces it with comfort. In living rooms, crochet rugs bring everyone closer. Conversations feel easier. Time slows down. The room becomes a gathering place rather than a display. Advanced crochet storage walls combine beauty and organization. Entire sections of wall can be designed with crochet pockets, panels, and holders. These walls store books, plants, accessories, and memories. They turn storage into art. A home with crochet storage walls feels intentional and creative. Nothing feels hidden or forgotten. Everything has a place, and every place has beauty. One of the most emotionally powerful advanced crochet decor ideas is storytelling installations. These are collections of crochet pieces arranged to tell a personal story, family history, cultural heritage, personal growth. Each piece represents a chapter. Together, they create a visual narrative. In 2026, homes are becoming more personal than ever. People want spaces that reflect who they are, not just what they own. Crochet storytelling decor attracts deeply because it feels honest and human. There was a moment when the homeowner who once felt something was missing finally understood. It wasn't more decor they needed, it was meaning. Every advanced crochet piece they added brought clarity. The home felt complete not because it was full, but because it was truthful. Advanced crochet decor attracts not through luxury, but through presence. It asks you to slow down. It invites you to notice texture, light, and feeling. It reminds you that beauty can be patient, handmade, and deeply intentional. In a world that moves fast, a home filled with advanced crochet pieces becomes a refuge. It tells visitors that this is a place where time matters, where care is visible, and where stories are honored. As Part 2 unfolds, crochet no longer sits quietly in the background. It steps forward as art, architecture, and emotion woven together. These pieces do not just decorate a home, they define it. And when someone enters and feels something they can't explain, when they linger a little longer, when they leave feeling calmer than when they arrived, that is advanced crochet decor doing its work. Not loudly, not forcefully, but beautifully, patiently, and from the heart.
Wow.